I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. Yeah. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all.
Best thing. Why are you crying? Don't you know it's not good for a beautiful girl like you to be crying? Now wipe those tears out of your beautiful face. Okay?
Auntie Chuma, are you just going to watch?
My dear.
Are you just going to fold your hands and watch them torment us like this? Are you not going to do anything about everything we go through in this orphanage? At this rate, is it not better if we were left to our parents abandon us? So we can either take survival into our hands or just die.
Stop saying something like this. Come. You don't need to say something like this.
I'm speaking the truth. I overheard Nega and Bruzo saying, at this rate, is it not better if they kill themselves than to continue?
What?
Don't act surprised. What we go through in this orphanage is like being punished for a crime we never committed. We didn't beg our parents to have us and abandon us. We didn't ask them to die and leave us all alone. Neither do we beg to be born.
My dear, no life is a mistake. Everybody is in God's plan.
And God's plan involves starving us to death, right?
Not at all. Stop saying things like this.
Auntie Chuma, you're a good person. Holding your hands and watching us suffer like this means you're comfortable with everything that is going on around here.
I'm not. My heart beats every day seeing all of you suffer. But my hands are tied. I can't do anything to help any of you.
You can do something to help us. But you haven't just thought about it yet.
It's fine. I'll think about something to do. Okay? Now let's go. You have to go yourself.
No secret is meant to last forever.
If you move, I will move you. Try me and move it. So you are the one that stole my food. Oh, you two. You two, come here. Come here, my friend. So you have the mind, the effrontery to go to my pot and steal my food, yeah? You have the mind. So that's why you went to my pot to steal my food. By the time I am done with you two, you people will know that Auntie Harriet is not here to joke.
I'm sorry. We're hungry.
What's that? You want to cry? Don't even cry, because there will be no water for you tomorrow. So remain that tear, save it. And next time you won't go to my pot and steal. Oh yeah? Carry the food on your head. Carry it! Move! Move!
Yeah, just going through the files. I think it's the file about the company you intend investing your money into, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also going to go through the file again thoroughly. You know, investing billions of naira is not child's play, so we have to be very careful.
Yes, you're right on this one, but if you ask me, I would suggest we don't invest any money at all. Yeah.
Okay. Even if this deal pays out, we're going to make massive gain. Listen, if this deal pays out, I'm planning on using the profits to open a new branch in Abuja. So we don't have to travel all the time for business. Huh?
A new branch?
Yes.
Come on. It's not been up to 2 months you open a new branch over there at Orca. And it's yielding. So why talk about another new branch?
The plan is to expand vastly. As a matter of fact, I'm already talking to someone in Ghana. Once this deal pays out, like I see, I'm going to open a new branch in Ghana. And at the same time, I'm thinking maybe it's high time you handle things right while I have this argument.
Well, that would be nice. That would be nice. Well, you're a kingmaker. You're in charge. Do whatever you please. But no advice. You ask me.
No, listen. I know you have 10% share. I'm thinking of making you a co-partner. How about that? Huh? Let's do this together. Let's grow together.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you. That would be nice.
Of course, that would be nice.
Wow.
I mean, look at this.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's a long margin line.
Profits all the way.
Who is in charge? You had it all figured out.
Profits all the way.
Yeah. That's true. Okay, then in that case we can impress you.
So you decided to bring work home?
Oh, my love. It was impromptu actually.
Oh, wife, you're welcome.
If you say so. I know you guys must be tasty. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Very lucky man. Your wife is so nice, extremely beautiful, you know. You're lucky to have her.
I am the most luckiest man in the world, I must say.
Baby, I want you to help me with something upstairs.
What is it? What is it?
Baby, I want you to help me with something. Please.
And that's a clue for you to go get married. ASAP.
I'm taking my time.
I'm taking your time. I'm going to.
Baby, please come.
So, yeah, I will. So,
I have to go upstairs.
That's my wife to you for.
Yeah.
I'm taking my time.
Baby, I love you, right?
Sorry, very soon. So next, I'll join the club.
Baby. I want you to help me with something, baby. Now, what's wine? What? Baby.
Just be investing. Gathering all the properties. Investing all the money in all the companies. And making more money for us. I just pray you leave to see me collect all this money, all these companies away from you. I will rest. And I will watch you go down 6 feet below. And I will take over our life. Great.
Eat that food so that next time you will not go to my pot and touch my food again. What? Put your mouth. Nonsense. Finish that food. Use your mouth and eat that food. You have the effort to go to my pot, eh? By the time I am done with you, you know that Arit is not here to joke with you. Did I kill your mother? Did I kill your father? I said, did I kill your father? Finish that food. Nonsense. You will finish the food today and you will eat it. Eat the food. You're not eating. You're not eating. You're not eating. Eat that food. Eat. This is how corruption used to start. But I am here to stop it. I am here to stop it. See that corruption? You people will not start it. Wench. Am I the one that said you people should be orphaned? Did I kill your parents? Eh? eat food. You want to eat food, you will eat food today. So that in your next life, when you see my pot, you will dash. Finish that food today. And if you stand up, if any of you should stand up, if you people should stand up.
Babe.
Yes, love.
It's a month already.
Yeah.
What do you think about Victoria?
About our daughter? What do I think about her? She's a gift God gave me from the orphanage. She's so amazing. The only regret I have is that I didn't adopt her sooner.
Well, I'm glad you're happy.
I am, baby.
I'm super glad you're happy.
Baby.
Yo.
Come to think of it, baby, it's high time you write your will.
My will?
Yes, sir.
Why? Is something happening to me?
No, nothing is happening to you, baby.
I think it's too early.
Baby. Baby, it's not too early. She's our daughter. Unless you have reservations about her.
Reservation?
Yeah.
No, I don't. But,
then baby, write your will, please. I beg you. So that she can take over from you, you know?
can you at least give me some time to think about this?
Fine. I'll give you all the time in the world to think about it.
Of course, I need all the time in the world to think about it. That's my will.
I'll give you time. I'll give you all the time you want.
Yeah, you should.
That's a gift, BBO. That's no problem.
No secret is meant to last forever.
Hey, sister. You see this evening walk? It's very good for my mental health. I'm telling you. Right? I said Desire will not even give me a breathing space. She's making me go crazy. Since the day she started walking. Don't worry, you start enjoying her the way I'm enjoying my daughter now. Eh? You will enjoy her very soon, don't worry. You have started again now. Eh? The way you talk about you and this your daughter, you're making me feel as if I fell from the sky. Is it so obvious? It's more than obvious. More. Yeah, you need to calm down. Oh my God, my dear. You see, I've been telling my husband though. I've been telling my husband to will all his property to my daughter. I don't want anything to happen to her future. I don't want anybody to come out now and start dragging properties with her. That's why I asked my husband to will all property to her. My dear, you need to take it easy. Take it slow. Where are you rushing to? Hey, my darling, I am not rushing anywhere, you know. I just want to give her a beautiful life, you know. She needs to enjoy my husband's wealth. I see. But at the same time, I'm telling you to take things slow. Or don't you plan on having your own child? You know, Kosi has been wanting to go to the zoo. I don't know if you can come along with Desire so that we can all go together. She has been telling me, Mommy, take me to the zoo. Mommy, take me to the zoo. I know, I will bring Desire along, but why are you changing the topic now? I am not changing any topic. You are! See, my baby has been telling me to take her to the zoo, and I want to take her to the zoo.
Hey. So what up, man? Yeah. This is the file you requested for. Why didn't you send the PAs? I didn't want to stress them. Besides, the file was close to my table, so I'll bring it myself. It's alright. So what's up? Was it your lawyer you were speaking to on phone? Oh yes. Good to see you right away. After which I would I'm going for a meeting with M&M group of companies. Oh really? Then I head home. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. I'll go from there. Yeah?
No secret is meant to last forever.
Harry, what are you doing here?
We need to talk.
Harry, there is nothing to talk about here. I thought I told you that it's over between us. That I want to focus on my family. What are you doing here?
We need to talk. I see you losing everything.
What do you mean by you see me losing everything? I don't understand.
Oh, really? Alright, let me break it down to you and give you the real picture of what is going on right now. Alright? Your husband is driving right now to his lawyer's office and I'm very sure he's going there to will everything to that thing.
Excuse you? Please, don't call my daughter a thing.
Oh, really?
Yes! If this is how you want to lure me into infidelity, try again. It's not going to work for you, okay?
Lily, I'll go, it's okay. But don't come back begging and crying to me when you are left with nothing. Nothing.
What do you mean by that?
Really? Okay, fine. Look at it from this angle. A picture right now. Okay. So what is about the two parents from that? By the time the husband is married, okay? And he has already made everything to her. What should be your position in the will?
My co-sister Chiku will not do such a thing.
Oh, really?
Yes, she will not do that.
And after that, you'll be left with nothing to show down, nothing to keep life afloat with. By then, you have no other option to come to me begging and crying.
Nothing as such will happen. Yes.
Well, you think movies are fake, right? Don't you know that movies are drafted from real stories? True stories, my dear. Where is your choice to choose, okay? I've done my part by coming here to break the ice, to bring you to the real picture of what is going on. It's now left for you to choose whether you accept it or not, my darling. I have to go. I think I'm done talking here. Catch you if I can. Please, please.
What is this nonsense he's talking about? What is all this rubbish? Can you imagine? Coming to my presence, calling my daughter a 10.
I'm very tired of everything that is happening in this place.
You're right. Even kids on the street are living way better than we are.
Wait, maybe we can become the kids on the street.
Judith, what are you driving at?
Maybe we can run away.
Ah, run away?
Yes. We eat once in a day. They take us as slaves. We go to their farm to work for them. Why?
You're right. Maybe they are training laborers better than future leaders.
See, we have to look for a plan. We are on our own in this. No one can help us. We need to find a way to leave this place.
Let's think of a plan.
Yeah.
Everybody knows me well.
If you look at me up and down, you will know that it's true. Is that what my darling wants to be, huh?
Not really.
Why?
Because I want to be this person that helps people, the poor, the needy. I just want to put an end to hardship as much as I can.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yes.
That shows you have a beautiful heart. Huh?
Thank you, Daddy.
But I tell you something. Having a business of your own would be nice. I mean, starting up something. Or better still, taking over from me would be nice. And then you can have an NGO to help the poor and the poor masses as much as you can. Huh? Yes, it's nice. The truth is, no matter how hard you try to help some people, fair to be on the streets begging. Yes. So all you have to do is do the best you can and leave the rest to God. Never you try to change everybody because that is not possible. Okay? Yeah. Now let's go back to our song.
Stand by me, stand in the front.
I'm a lawyer in my country.
Everybody knows me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that it's true.
I did it well, right?
Yes.
Oh, I'll learn some other ones. Yes, Leo. Do you know I'm talking to Yes. I mean, today she was telling me how she was be so successful so she can help the less privileged and empower the jobless youth.
Wow, that's nice.
Yes. Well, I advised her to think towards the area of business. Yes. In that way she can earn enough money to achieve her big dreams.
So, what kind of business does she want to do?
Well, I told her to think of something, or better still, she would take over from where I stopped. That's if I was stopped in the future. Yeah. I mean, get used to the family business so she can take over from wherever I stopped.
Babe, I think you shouldn't sign the will yet.
I don't understand. You asked me to do that.
Yeah.
I already met with my lawyer, finalized and signed already.
You're right, baby. There is no need for the rush.
You asked me to do it, and I have completed the process already. It's done.
Baby, if you want peace in this house, don't write the book yet. Please. Good night.
What are you talking about? I'm saying I've done it already. Now you're confusing me. You asked me to write the will, I did. And now you're telling me not to write it. What's going on? Fine. That's how you want it then. I'm going to bed. Good night.
No secret is meant to lie.
But when are you going to get married?
I'll get married, but not now. I'm taking my time, babe.
Very soon.
Mm-hmm.
When is very soon? When is the right time? Because all the while I've known you, I'm talking about since our 200 level, you have never dated any girl for more than 2 months. You've never been in any committed relationship. So what are you talking about? Why would you be ready?
Man, you're right. But like I said, when I'm ready, I'll let you know. See, women are complicated, though. It's not easy.
You're right about that. Can you imagine my wife? The same wife who asked me to write my will. Woke up one day to tell me to make sure I do not write the will if I want peace to be in my house.
She did that?
Oh yes, she did.
Wow.
The same woman who told me to write my will because we had a child in the picture. Huh? Now going otherwise.
And please, my guy, take it easy with her. Eh? Don't annoy her. We know women the way they can be. Just don't make her angry, okay?
Bro, I'm actually confused about the whole thing. I'm telling you. I'm trying my best, but I'm still confused. Trust me.
Thank you, Jesus. You've vindicated me. Now you see why I told you I'm taking my time. Yeah, I'm taking my time, bro. I ain't getting married now until I find the right person.
Time taker.
Please,
well done.
Please.
Time taker. I see you, bro.
Why? Where are you guys going to? Okay, no problem. Let's just go inside. you sent for me?
Yes, I did. Quick one. Henceforth, there's a little change in this orphanage home. You will be in charge of teaching the children, while RX will be in charge of their feeding.
But Ma, we normally take turns to do all these things.
Yes, I know. That is why I'm saying there's a change. I've changed it.
Ma, this way is not a good development too.
Shoma.
Ma?
Your duty is to take orders from me, not to tell me what is a good development or not.
I'm sorry.
You better be. You can go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Teach the children, that is what I said. I don't want to see you near their food.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
What is it?
My assignment is just too hard for me. I can't write them. I want you to assist me.
Will you get out of here now, Kosi?
Get out before I slap you! Kosiso, leave this place! Kosiso, get out of this place. Are you okay? What's the meaning of that now? You should help me with your assignment. Starting when? Get out, Kosiso, before I descend on you. Eh? My husband and I have spent so much money to put you in the best school in this town. And you still want me to assist you with your assignment. Your stupid assignment. Rubbish. Get out! Idiot. Can you imagine? Eh? My husband and I spent so much money putting you in the best school. You're telling me to assist you. Ewawosa. Rubbish. No, come and carry me now. Kill me. Rubbish.
What is it?
I have a nightmare.
You had a nightmare? I'm so sorry about that.
And so what? Is that why you came to wake us from sleep?
Can you sleep me?
Of course.
Of course what? Sleep where? If I give you backhand slap now. Get out of this place, Joe!
Babe, can you stop doing?
Leave my space!
Please stop. What's the meaning of that? Why are you being harsh to the little girl?
Let her go to her room now.
She's scared, for God's sake. She's scared. Come and lie down. Come here.
You're very funny, you know. Do I look like a Superman to you? Listen, you just called me an hour ago. Have you forgotten I work for your husband?
Listen, I took permission to leave work halfway just to come see you. Hope you know that.
That's by the way.
But you told me something that you wouldn't see me.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes. I'm ready to do what it takes. I mean, I cannot allow that motherless idiot take what rightfully belongs to me. What I and my husband has worked for so many years. Can I allow that to happen?
Now you're talking. I like this.
So what do we do now?
Okay, fine. I will let you know when I come up with something, okay?
What do you mean you let me know when you come up with something? I thought you already come up with something.
Yeah, I did have a plan, but you chickened out of it. Yeah. You didn't go through with it.
You need to be very fast with your plans. You need to be very fast. I need to go home right now to make the house unbearable for that little brat, that witch.
Oh.
I need to make the house unbearable for her. Let her leave.
I think I love this. My Lily is back. But you know what? I've really missed you. Why don't you go to my place and celebrate this victory? My baby's sense of reasoning is back.
Bad boy. No problem, when we get to your house then.
Yeah, I really missed you.
Yes, mommy, we are fine. Yeah, everybody is fine. No, there's no problem. Don't worry, by tomorrow I'll send you guys something. Yes. Alright. I'll call you back. Alright, take care of yourself.
Auntie Choma.
Listen, what's the problem?
Auntie Choma, see.
You're not done eating your food yet, so why are you showing me the plate? Or do you need extra?
I've not even started eating yet.
Destiny, just tell me if you need extra. Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. This is the food that Auntie Harriet gave us to eat. You can go out and confirm from the other treats.
Jesus Christ. Like, why would she serve you this food? Why would she serve you guys this food? Are you guys, is she feeding a dog? Wait. Was that the reason why they asked me not to supervise the food anymore?
I don't know.
I'm going to confront her.
She's not around. She's with the Milton brother.
Again?
Okay, no problem. I will go and buy some packs of carving biscuits so you guys will take with water. At least it will hold you people for some time.
Thank you, Auntie Choma.
You're welcome. Okay, let me. You can go now. Let me rush and get it.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Mommy, you're watching our favorite show without me. That's not fair. Why didn't you call me? I didn't even know they started. Why didn't you call me? That's not nice.
What's that? What's the meaning of that now? Will you come out from that chair? Starting when now? When did I want that? Look at the way you're balancing on the chair. As if some wretched parent that abandoned you can afford it.
They didn't abandon me. They died. Besides, why are you talking to me like this these days?
Can you afford this chair? Eh? Me that owns this house. Have I stretched my leg the way you stretch your leg on the chair? You saw again, man? Are you okay? What's wrong? If you call that name again, I will descend on you. What's the meaning of that rubbish now? No, when did it start? You're balancing on my chair. Eh?
Mommy, are you okay?
Get out of my sight! I said in my sight! Can you imagine? No, did they buy this house for you and I? Eh? What I and my husband has worked for so many years. You want to come and inherit everything. Look at the way you're just balancing on the chair as if you own the house. God will punish you. My God will punish you.
Mommy, are you sure you are fine?
Hello, Harry. Harry, I am pregnant. What do you mean that's good news? I don't understand. Harry, I'm not comfortable with this, so. Are you sure? Hey. Okay, I will do as you say. No problem.
Yes! The time to destroy Ezen has come. Yes. I just hope he's ready for this. I will have the last laugh. Just hope.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Alright, I don't know what we're going to do about it, honestly. Yes, John. It's good you're here. And you, thank God you're here. And why are you feeding those kids as if they are dogs? I don't understand. What do you mean, why are you feeding those kids as if they are dogs? Imagine the quantity of food you're feeding them. Forgetting that they eat once a day. And you're feeding them peanuts. Now is it your business? Are you here to teach me my work or you need to function? Are you even done with the one we were assigned to do inside? Eh? I am not teaching you your job. I'm only here to remind you for you to treat those kids like humans they are. If you had want to be in their shoes, how will you feel? Yeah. You see that shoe? I can never ever be in that shoe. Whether size 20, 30, 40, I will not be. My parents are still alive. Eh? They are still alive, so I am not an orphan. I can never be an orphan. Please, I take God beg you, treat those kids nicely now. Okay. Please. Okay. Well, Teresa. Chima. Metron. Come. Go. There's something I want you to understand. Listen, you will back into my office and say rubbish. Jesus Christ, listen and listen very good. Since you have refused to join us, stay on your own and act as if you are saying nothing in this orphanage. Am I understood? The next time you interfere in something that does not concern you, I will disappoint you. Get out. I'm not joining you guys in anything you are doing. Get out! I'm not joining you guys. You want to blind me? Imagine this animal. This idiot is going to teach me my work. We need to eat this food. Chioma is biting more than she can chew. Isn't it? She has been on my neck. Chioma, why are you passing food? Chioma, you...
Baby. Goodness. Finally, God has answered us.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looks like you made massive sale today.
100 times better than that. Yeah.
Tell me about it.
I am pregnant.
What?
Yes. The baby is having a baby.
How?
God has finally answered our prayers.
Yes.
Baby, you're not excited. What is it?
Of course
You're not happy about the baby?
Of course I'm happy about it.
Are you sure? You're happy?
I'm just in shock.
Baby, how can you be sure? I'm pregnant. You're supposed to be happy for me, but I'm pregnant. The baby is having a baby.
Yeah.
God has finally answered our prayers.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. Ah, yeah. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever?
My man! Hey, what's up, bro? Hope you've not been waiting for too long. That's my G. What up? Collect another one. Congratulations, man! Wow, I'm so happy for you. My God! You are finally the latest daddy in town. So you don't try, you will forget. In news like this that we've been praying to God and expecting before now happened that you didn't even bother to tell me, bro. Come on now. No good now.
My brother, don't mind me, man. I walk. What is the work? Yeah. I've been so busy with work, man.
I understand, man. So what's up now? Dad pop some champagne, Hennessy, VSOP on the latest dad in town. You don't understand? What?
Bro, I need to get to the site again. Now I see what these guys are doing. Maybe some other time now. Pop champagne, you know. Yeah, I got you, bro.
Bro, even
No, some other time.
Okay, okay. Alright, bro. Yeah, I'll drink on you. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's my guy. Useless boy. I dey wait for you, may you come and we'll celebrate your downfall. Here's you now. Not seen anything yet. This is just the beginning. Wait, I don't bother about the champagne!
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
This is as far I can go.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
No, it's okay. It's fine. Please take very good care of her for me.
No, she will be fine. Don't worry.
Okay.
Hope you are okay. Hope you like me. I will take good care of you, okay?
Okay, listen. Be good, okay? Be a very good girl. I don't want to hear any complaint about you. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really like it. Okay, bye. Alright, it's okay. I'm running late already.
And what are you still doing there? You want to join them? Get inside! I'm even looking for somebody that will come and adopt both of you. Nonsense.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I was in our daughter's room reading her some bedtime stories. She was finding it very difficult to sleep.
Adopted daughter!
Baby, what's wrong with you?
Seriously, Evina, I don't like it. I don't like how you spend time with that bastard! Yes, I don't like it! Instead of you to find time to bond with your unborn child, and you're here giving it to that little brat! Why?
Kosi is also my child. And as far as I'm concerned, she's my first child.
Did I carry her in my womb? Did I carry her in my womb? Did I get pregnant for her? Seriously, I don't like it. I don't like how you to spend time with that little brat.
I'd like to sleep now, please. I'm tired.
Isn't if you want peace in this house, if you want peace in this house, stop going to her room. Stop reading stories for her. I don't like it all. My baby don't like it. What is all this now?
Can you let me sleep, please? I'm tired.
If you want me to let you sleep, stop going to her room. I don't like it. Stop spending time with her. I'm talking, you're sleeping. Instead of it to come and kiss your unborn child. Eh? You're sleeping. But you're going to her room to read stories. You don't even kiss your baby in your womb, in my womb. Eh? Okay, no problem. Oh. I've said my own. Oh. If you want peace in this house, stop going to her room. Oh. Else, this house will be too hot for the both of us. Okay, you're sleeping. You. Going to her room, but you cannot kiss my baby. You cannot even.
Last forever.
No problem.
No matter how you try to hide.
Hey! Don't call me that again and again.
Congratulations, my friend.
Congratulate me, oh. I need it.
Look at you. Hey!
You see? I told you that adopting a child will bring you good luck.
I beg you, forget that thing.
Oh.
Yes, so my time to shine has come. Yes, my time might be this.
Anyhow you see it, I know your husband will be over the moon right now.
My dear, my husband is so happy about it.
Yeah,
he is. Yeah. I'm so happy, my dear. I'm so speechless. Seriously. This is overwhelming. Yes, so I'm not going to do too much load again.
Abby! Oh, do me Alright, so now I'll be giving you some, some little treats.
Yes, so
you are carrying our first breath. You understand? So just see. I need to go and serve myself. You see, jollof rice, I don't joke with it.
you and jollof rice now 5 and 6.
Let it be. You sure want to turn all this place into restaurant? Anything you want, anything you say. As far as for jollof rice, I will do anything.
My sister, if you're coming out, then just do 1 plate of jollof rice. No.
Hey, just sit down, relax. I'm coming, okay?
No problem. I'm waiting. Yes.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, tell me how long can you keep a secret? Can you keep it forever? Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret?
Daddy, are you okay?
I don't know how I feel, but I suspect the child is not mine.
Isn't it also important?
What? Where did you hear that from?
I overheard you discussing with the doctor when I came here.
Yes.
Why didn't you share that with your wife? When I heard you are undergoing treatment, she's supposed to support you through the process.
She will panic. She will not understand. I was planning on telling her after I was done with treatment.
Your best friend is responsible for the pregnancy.
What did you say?
Yes, I've seen them multiple times. I couldn't tell you because I didn't know how to. But thank you.
I'm going to confront her right now.
No, you can't do that. Please sit.
What do you mean, sit? She's leaving my house today.
Do you want me to plan with you? You want me to go and re-strategize?
You strategize?
Yes.
How?
Please sit. Yes. You have an ongoing plan, and you want me not to be victim of it by playing Obio. Let's just see where everything will go.
So what am I supposed to do now?
You know that sometimes it's good to just play as the fool, just to fool the people that can be confused. Just keep calm and observe.
Hello ma, good afternoon. Ma, yes, this is Choma John. I work in your orphanage. Ma, please, the airtime this call is burning is too much because it's an international call. Ma, please, can I chat to you on WhatsApp? Because what I want to say is very important and it take a little time. Yes, okay. Thank you, ma. Alright.
You're not getting my point. You're missing it. Oh, okay, fine. Where's your daughter now? Where's she?
The only child I have is the one in my womb.
That's by the way. So tell me, you need to hasten her up. Hasten him up to writing his will. He needs to write his will.
Why? My baby is not yet born.
Baby, come on. Okay? Acting as if you don't know how men behave these days. Okay, fine. Fine. What if he has written the will without you knowing it and willed everything to cause him? Don't you get? You need to confirm from him if he has done that. And if he hasn't, convince him to will everything to our unborn child. Baby, we need this money. We need to secure a future for our unborn child. Come on. Think about it. Okay? Just think about it.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Kusi, are you still doing this?
Oh no, boy.
Oh my God.
Baby, allow the poor girl to eat to her satisfaction now.
Babe, I need to be at the office in no time. I'm running late.
Baby, don't worry. I'll drop her off, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
I love you.
Alright, take care. I'll see you when I come back, right?
Have a nice day, honey. Madam, will you drop something you're eating? Come on, drop it. Rubbish. What's that? Eh? You're eating my food.
I'm almost done. Let me just go.
Madam, sit down here. Where do you think you're going to? Which school? No, which stupid school now? Eh? You have to pay for the breakfast you just ate right now. So go in there and undress this stupid thing you're wearing and get a mop and a broom to clean up this house. You need to clean this house very well. Okay? So go in and take up this rubbish. I'm talking to your sibling. Eh? Madam, be fast and get mop and clean this house for me. Rubbish. Did your late parents, your stupid parents that abandoned you in the orphanage, give you this kind of food? Eh? Can they afford this bread and egg? You're lasting in my house eating bread and egg and tea. Eh? You want to go to school? Come on, will you get that in this place and go and get him up and this place? You want to eat my food. You have to pay for it. Shh. Go get involved and stop standing here and looking at me. Clean this house for me very well.
She's a no-nonsense girl. She know that tolerate you. She hates intimidation, not doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? And she fears nobody. Cause he's so true. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense.
This girl wants to take over everything in this house. This girl wants to take over everything in this house. Cause you don't even know me. You don't even know who you are dealing with. And I will make life miserable for you in this house. That you will pack your things and go back to the orphanage where you belong. I will so deal with you, this girl. You don't even know me. This girl don't know me. I will show her shit in this house. Silas! Silas! Who is that stupid fool? Come here! I said come here! Come close. Silas, did you water the flower today?
No, madam.
Silas, did you not water the flower today? Hey, Silas!
Madam, please, I'm
sorry. So what did you use in this house? What are you doing? You're jobless fool! You're still standing there looking at me? Sorry for your useless, miserable life! Idiot! Can you imagine? What am I paying you for? Hey, Silas! I will so deal with you! If you don't water the flower! Idiot! Fool! Can you imagine? So I asked you to pack the clothes. And you didn't pack everything. Wash them! My friend, wash these clothes. Wash them very well. Fool. Wash the collar. Wash it. If I come back and you're not done washing these clothes, hellfire will reject you. Let me come back and meet them here. In fact, where am I going? Let me stand here and watch you. Wash it! Wash the collar very well. Fool.
Destiny, whose clothes are these?
The Auntie Harriet's.
Harriet, why is Destiny washing your clothes?
And who is this? Who can be this one? It seems the slap the matron gave you the last time wasn't enough.
These are against the rules of this orphanage, you know that.
And how is it your business? How is it your business, Mother Teresa? How is it your business?
I pity you. You need to change. Yeah. You need to change.
And even your president can't change the country. Who am I to change? Finish everything. If you are done washing it, dry it very well. And you stand under the sun and wash the clothes. Be in sun. Wash! I said wash. Small devil. I'm just spiritual. Physically.
Destiny, what is the problem?
Teacher, I'm dying. I'm hungry.
Why will you say something like that?
Teacher, I've not eaten for 2 days.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because Auntie Harriet says that if I do, she will skin me alive. No, I don't even mind.
Which excuse did she give you for starting?
Say that I remind her of Kosi. No, she's punishing me for her crimes.
It's fine. Let me go get something to eat, okay? Just hold on. Alright, let's go. Let me get something to eat.
Wow! So my baby is a boy. No wonder you eat too much.
Baby, I'm not the one eating. It's the baby that is eating a lot.
That's it. You can blame it on whoever you want to blame it on, okay? Now listen.
I think it's high time we do something about Azim now. Yes, you need to do something about your husband.
What do you mean? How do you mean?
Are you asking me? Okay, fine. He needs to leave the way for us. Because I want to marry you.
My husband, leave the way for us. How?
We need to kill him. He has to die.
Kill my husband? How? Please, I don't like this kind of thing you are saying. I beg, talk from that thing.
Which one is you don't like this kind of a thing I'm saying now? Okay, what if he finds out the baby is not his? And what if he finds out the baby looks like me and not like him? And what if he decides to go for a DNA test? All hell will go loose. Lily, think!
Harry,
We will be in trouble!
You are screaming, I don't like it, please. Killing my husband is not the best option. How can you kill my husband? For what now? I'm not waiting for now. I beg go. Try and be killed. You and who? I'm not, don't involve me, please.
What's wrong with you?
Don't involve me. When it comes to killing, I'm not, I don't want to be part of it. It's okay, please. It's okay. Don't think about it. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm not killing anybody.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Baby boy.
Thank you. I'm tired.
Honey, didn't you hear what I said? His guy said it's a boy.
Oh.
Yes, it's a boy.
Congratulations to you. I'm really tired. I'll be in my room. Okay?
So now that it's a boy, are you going to rewrite the will? Because the man needs to take over. He needs to take charge.
What in God's name is wrong with you? You asked me to write a will, which I did. And then you asked me to reverse the will. I did. And now you ask me to write a will in favor of an unborn child. Please, let me rest. I'm tired.
Baby, he needs to take charge now. He needs to take over. Eh? Baby, he's the man of the house, so this baby boy is going to inherit everything, no? I don't know what you're saying, no? Eh? What's all this now? You have to rewrite the will, no? I'm talking to you that it's a boy, you're ignoring me. I don't understand. What is wrong with this man? Eh? What's all this now? Baby, it's a boy, no? Eh? It's a boy, no? It's not going to inherit all the property, all the wealth, no? I don't like this you're doing, no?
Matron, this story we want to carry out, I hope Choma is not inside. Because if she's in, it will be very difficult for us to take it out.
Harriet, don't worry. Our days in this place are numbered.
That's a very nice decision.
I'll definitely look for a way to eliminate her.
Matron, I think we should frame her up safe, you know? Mrs. will have zero tolerance for stealing.
Yes, you're right. Okay, this is what will happen. I'll send her to the market to get something, then we can fix what we want to do.
That's a very nice idea.
Okay.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide.
And what's that supposed to mean? By the way, where's my daughter? She's supposed to be having breakfast.
She's not feeling too well. She's in her room upstairs.
Maybe I'll have to call Dr. Frank.
You don't need to do that. She's just stressed and she needs some rest.
Alright then. Justice.
What's this supposed to mean?
Isn't that you know what to do? You know what to do. Write your will and put your son's name to it.
I say you plan to frustrate me in my own house over a child that is yet to be born. But it's alright. I'll go to work on an empty stomach.
Isn't that? Okay, write that will. You need to put your son's name on it. I don't understand what you are doing, isn't that? What is all this, Oga? No problem, you will go out there and come back and meet me in this house. If you want peace, you better write your will, Write your will. What's all this rubbish? Write your will and put your son's name on it. It's a problem in this house. Your own son, your own child. You go out and come back and meet me here.
My sugar banana.
No secret is meant to
You
last
come.
forever.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you more. I mean like move out.
Are you sure?
It's sweet.
What?
Hey, one more time. The sugar for your lips, Now bye.
Oh, baby, you know I love you. I'm in love with you. You know that?
I love you so much. I love you more. Like, for this full life, now you be my number one. My everything.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. I go want you before.
Okay, so when are you then going to ask that question?
I don't understand. Which Christian?
Okay, I'm tired of all this hide and seek. When are you going to ask me out? Like, make this a relationship official.
Babe, let's enjoy this moment, okay? Let's just release the time. Just have fun, you know?
Like, you don't understand. I said, like, when are you going to make me your wife? Like, ask me, like, kneel, put a ring on my finger, and I was like, yes, baby, I will marry you. That's what I mean.
Wife, for being my for reality, you don't want you? Wait. Make you my wife as via. No. Just calm down. Wait. If you be man, you go marry yourself. No, tell me. If you be man, you go marry yourself.
Repeat that nonsense.
You will be compound giver. Oh, I know your story now. Auntie, calm down.
So, Ebuka, I'm good on bed.
Yeah.
I'm not good as wife material, Abi.
Hey.
God will punish you.
I know your secrets.
Ebuka, it will not be well with you.
Chidi.
Ebuka, God will punish you today.
DK.
Ebuka, you will do your sister this thing.
Anthony.
You must marry me.
I know all of them.
Ebuka, you go marry me.
They give them. You be giver.
I know well.
No.
Ebuka, I know well at all.
Wait. So, okay.
Ebuka, you will marry me today. If you don't marry me today, God will punish you. You will marry me today.
You go pay my groom price.
You will marry me.
Come until leave me.
So you'll be wasting my time.
I go disfigure your face.
You'll be wasting my time, huh?
I go disfigure your face. See.
Disfigure me.
Make I mark you, say happen.
I know well.
See this solution.
I know well.
No, let me wear.
I know well at all.
Let me wear.
I know well. Ebuka, you will marry me today.
If you don't leave me,
that marriage don't start.
If you don't leave me,
find ring, rope, anything put for my finger before I close my.
Blood go flow.
Ebuka, let that blood flow.
Blood go flow.
Let that blood flow.
Suppose I marry you.
What is good about the money? Why are you dressed like this now?
I'm going to school.
You're going to which school? Have you washed the plates and clothes I left there? Have you washed it?
I've done everything. I woke up today and I did everything.
You did everything. If you look around you, look up. In Afia, are you seeing it? What do you see?
Oh, well.
Just go and get a chair, climb on it and bring your mopping stick or whatever. Come and start taking off all these things. I don't want to see one cobweb in this house. It's not good in the house.
How do you expect me to do that?
People this shame. You do cookie, you Chinese. Nah, Joe. Madam, go and bring chair and climb my hand.
You know that even if I use chair, my hand cannot see get there. How do you want me to do it? You don't know we get there. You don't know we... What are you doing? Why are you treating me like this? I don't like this. Is not fair.
This is not fair. No, this is white. This is black. Madam, go and carry chair and climb this and clean this place for me. I don't want to see any white cobwebs here. I don't want it. Go and take off those things and take off those cobwebs. Let's go.
No secret is meant to last forever. No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Can I ask you for a favor?
You can go ahead with your favor.
Can you please stop treating Kosi the way you treat her?
Repeat yourself again.
Can you stop treating Kosi the way you treat her? It's unfair.
I don't understand. What do you mean I should stop treating her? I will treat her the way I want. Anyhow I want, I will treat her. How can you be picking a total stranger over your own child? How?
She's not a stranger. She's my child. I remember how you were all over this girl when we went to get her. Now all of a sudden you're treating her like she disgusts you. What's going on? What are you not telling me?
Baby, if you want me to treat her well in this house, if you want me to consider what you just said right now, if you want me to let her off the hook, baby, you need to consider my child. You need to focus on our child. That is all I want.
You want me to let her die of depression, yeah? That is what you want. I'm pleading with you, I'm begging you.
Good night, please.
Treat her nicely. I am begging you, and at the same time I'm warning you. Treat her nicely.
Seriously, I don't know what has gotten into my wife. I mean, she now behaves anyhow. Really? Imagine my wife asking me to write my will. What? She has not even given birth.
What? Where the wash?
I don't know. My wife now behaves anyhow. She maltreats Kosi anyhow. Telling her she's not her daughter.
What? Why would she do that to that little poor girl? Does she know the trauma she will make her go through?
If I knew, I won't be her. But please, she's your best friend. I need you to help me talk to her. Please.
Don't worry, I'll talk to her for you.
Thank you very much, and thank you for giving me your time.
It's okay. Alright.
No secret is meant to last forever.
Baby, listen, alright? We have to eliminate Kosi first. That's the option.
I totally agree with you.
That's my girl. You know what? Once we've eliminated her, your husband will have no other choice than to will everything to our unborn child, our son. Kajia.
Talking about our son, you have not spoken to him today.
Mamma mia. Yeah. Hello.
Divine?
Yes, baby. Yeah. His name is Divine.
What if Isena decides to give him another name?
He won't dare. Will you allow him to do that?
I'm not allowing to do that.
Better don't, huh? You know what, baby? Come here.
It's okay. What if someone comes in here?
Oh, you know what? Let's go upstairs for a quickie.
This girl won't let me be. She wants to do every single thing I do.
My sister, that is the stage she's in right now.
Ha! It's so tiring. I swear to God. So tiring.
Hey, Oma. There's a thing you said over the phone that you wanted to discuss something important with me. I hope there's no problem.
Yes. There's something I want to tell you. Okay. I saw Izina today. I met Izina today. And I've seen it myself. The way you treat your daughter, seriously, it's so unfair. What happened to my friend? What happened to that sweet woman that always have pussy in her mouth? What's going on?
Oma, please come and start going.
You say what?
You heard me now? You heard me clear. Come and start leaving. You have overstayed your welcome. What's that?
Do you mean I should leave?
Please come and start going. What's all this one? You want me to come like security man to come and push you out of this place?
Really?
Oma, leave now. Silence!
Oma!
Silence!
This life, only what you go to. Not allow anybody to deceive you with actually things. That's the 1 minute money. They pay your bill of it. Still not so like it. I don't know if inside like it. Outside like it, inside like it. If you want to use it outside like it, when you come inside, you feel below like you can't enter your body to tell you.
Shift that table close to me.
I can put my leg.
Kosi! What's the meaning of that rubbish now? Do you want to injure my baby and I? What's the meaning of that rubbish now? Why did you get the table like that? Rubbish. Kosi!
Excuse me.
This place is not opening. It's not open. Bring the other bag. Please, can you allow me to check? Sorry. Jesus. Thief! Choma! Choma, what is this? I'm even surprised. You what? Choma, what is this? Is this not the money we have been looking for? Criminal. I don't know. Someone put this money. I don't even know. Hey, that's without pretense! Choma, so it's you! Wait! You have been the one stealing all the food items, including the money that they have been giving us in this orphanage? Hey! Everything that has been missing, you are behind it, Choma! I've never stolen in my life before. I don't know how this money goes to my bag. I don't know how the money goes to my bag. God can be me useless. I don't know. Why are you shooting? I don't know. Stop putting it in your bag. What is this? Put it in your bag, Choma. I don't know how it got into my bag. I swear I took my life. Every food item you have been looking for, you are responsible for it. There's the money, the gifts, everything, Choma. I don't know. The authority must hear about this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how this money got into my bag. I don't know how it got into my bag. You are a thief! I don't even know how it got into my bag. But it's in your bag now. No, I don't even know how it got into my bag. Good thief. It's thief. Mother Teresa! Thief! Legendary thief! Don't touch my sister. Thief. I can swear I don't know how this money goes into my bag. It's not. If you swear you will die. Thief! It flows in your blood! Crazy thief! I'm crazy for you. I took this money. You can only see my hand. I don't know what that is. Metro, this is not this is not my fault. So I asked you to buy something for me, and you used my change, right? You used my change. Your hands. Get your hands! Change. You stole my change. Last time was sure.
I was hungry. You have to use and buy something, I'm sorry.
Did I bring you to the orphanage home? So why did you use my change?
Mom,
get your hands!
I'm sorry.
Mom, please. Straight it. I'm sorry,
Mom.
Straight it. Straight it!
I was hungry.
If you touch my gate, straight it.
Please, I'm sorry.
If you touch my gate again, you will not like me.
I'm sorry. I'll try it again now.
You will try it. That's why I want to stop it. Straight your hand. Straight your hand, my friend. Straight it! If what is come here. Come here, come outside here. What is it?
Harriet, I wanted to ask you to help me to answer the questions.
You don't have sense. You are useless. So what do you want to do with the book? Eh? What are you doing with the book? So what's the need of the book? My friend, get out of this place. Man. Animal, as for you, by the time I'm done with you, next time if it's fight for yourself. Fight for yourself. Move. What is all this now? So I won't even have to change again. Thieves everywhere. This one that has no future. If I see any of you bringing book to me again, you will tell me. Shut devils, witches and witchcraft.
Hey, babe.
Jesus na big man. Who no one go collapse, small boy, Jesus na big man.
Babe, I was greeting you.
Oh no one go call him small boy. Jesus na big man.
I revised the will. I'm just coming from the lawyer's office.
What did you say? Please, can you say it again?
I said I revised the will.
Hey! You revised the will. Hey! Finally! My sugar, how was work today? Obi Kemo, Animo. Hey! My Ogologo Mara. You're welcome. How was work today?
Work was stressful. I'm just tired and hungry.
Oh, you are hungry?
Yes.
Baby, don't worry. I will make sure I cook something delicious for you to eat, okay?
You didn't cook?
Now that you have reversed the will, baby, I am going to cook something sweet, something sumptuous for you. Come in, let's go. Okay? My baby. Honey, sugar. My sweet man. I am telling you. Yes, so finally we can comfortably go ahead with our plans. Yes, I was so scared that he's not going to do it though, but now he has, my darling. I am going to definitely give him a good treat. I will cook something sweet for him, you know? Yes, for bending to my will now. Alright, I will talk to you later, okay? I'll talk to you later. Alright, take care, bye.
Good afternoon, ma. Ma, I'm very sorry, but when they accuse me of stealing, there is no way I will tell you because I know you have zero tolerance for stealing. I'm helping my sister in her store until I get a better job. Yes, ma, I will do it. Ma, you don't even need to pay me anything at all. Those children are like my own siblings. You don't need to pay me. Okay, ma. Thank you so much, ma. God bless you. Alright.
Take this and listen carefully. Put this substance in his food and drink daily. With this, there will be no trace of poison in his body when he dies in a month's time.
What if he will half of the property to Kose?
Wow, you're right. Then in that case, no need to waste time. We should just kill Kose, alright? Once we kill Kose and she's out of the way, isn't that we not have any option than to will everything to my beloved son in your womb. Okay?
No problem.
And that way we can acquire everything that he owns and probably turn him into a vegetable.
No problem.
Now listen. We have to act fast, okay? There is no time to check time, alright? I wouldn't want my baby to come into this world and meet all this chaos. Please, there is no time.
Your baby is craving for chocolate.
What? Chocolate? Do babies really eat chocolate? Oh, you're using my baby to build me, right?
I'm not using your baby to build you. That's what the baby is craving for.
It's okay, fine. I'll transfer 200k to your account.
500k, please.
For my baby? For 500k, I'll start giving you 1 million. This year, man? Well, it's okay, fine. I'll make the sum of 1 million available to you. So you don't get to ask me for money for 3 months, please. Just allow me to concentrate.
You need to endure. Shows that your mom is having a bad mood swing.
It's no mood swing. She's just wicked. You know, sometimes now I just used to say, what do you need this woman adopt me? She just adopt me so that she will purposely be maltreating me, and it's not nice. I'm just pitying her because of her dad. That man had a better person. That's why I'm just leaving her.
Okay, everything will be fine.
And your dad is a good man. Hmm? You know what? Just let me give you something.
Thank you, ma.
Just hide it, eh? And use it from time to time to eat.
Thank you, ma.
Okay?
Alright.
Hmm? Just be careful. Can you carry it?
Come down to bring down. Pick it very well. I say you should pick. If you like, sleep here. Hmm? If you like, eat here. But you will wash these clothes. Is this how to wash clothes? Is this how to wash clothes? Wash your clothes very well. Wash the tips. Wash it. Winch. Am I the one that killed your mother? Eh? Wash this clothes well. Wash it. How did I even find myself in this company? So you know you should wash angle of clothes. Wash it very well. What is good about the afternoon? Better get out! Wash the clothes very well. So you expect me? Look at me. Me like this can't wash for you. I'm not serious. Look at that mungo pack. So you don't know you should sweep that place very well? Eh? I should teach you how to sweep, Abi? I should teach you. Sweep it very well! I don't know how I found myself in this kind of condition. Eh? Like who brought me here? I should teach you how to wash, Abi. I should teach you how to wash. Wash very well! Nonsense. Let me come back and you are not done with that clothes. And let me come back and you are not done picking. I just wonder who brought me here when I am not an orphan. I don't know. Let me come back. Sleep here. Let me just come back. So this one just wants to remain an orphan in this life. Born orphan and remain orphan. They took you to where you will enjoy and you still come back to orphanage. Wait, come back to stressful. Harriet, me.
She's a no-nonsense girl. She know that tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? Cause and she fears nobody. Cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl.
My baby, my sweetheart, you're back. How are you? How was the market today? I know you must be very tired, eh? Don't worry, I prepared something delicious for you. The food is on the table.
I'm actually not tired. I'm okay.
I know, you must be very tired now. You're just going back from market, eh? I washed my hand and prepared this food for you, eh? Don't worry, let me help you with the bag in the kitchen. My baby, don't worry, I'll help you drop the bag in the kitchen, okay? Just go and eat. I washed my hand to prepare this food for you, especially for my baby. Go and eat, okay? I know you must be very, very tired. Eh, ma? My baby, don't worry. I'll help you and keep this in the kitchen, you know. I can see me off, ma. Eat. I'm coming home. Hey.
What's going on here? Gossip! What's going on here now? Why did you pour the food I washed my hand and cooked for you? What kind of stupid mistake is that? Hey, Gossip! Gossip! Come here.
I suffered. That one is very wicked. I woke up in the morning. I wash her clothes. Wash her children's clothes.
Jesus. So are you trying to tell me now that the suffering we are going through here is even more better than the one you just passed through now?
That one is very wicked. I pray not to be affected by that type of person.
I knew it. I felt it. That's why I wanted you to wait for all the normal checkup.
Hey, how is your place? What have been happening? So just me.
If you see Auntie Harriet there, that woman is still wicked. She's still doing like the way she's doing. So, she's very wicked. She's very wicked. She almost flogged one boy, but that thing that we did, that time that we went to go and eat out. She almost flogged one boy. So.
You have the best meet down here! Meet down here! Stay down here! I'll kill you! Meet down here! You stupid girl! Very stupid girl! Rubbish! Eh? You had the guts to pour the food away that I cooked! Do you know how much rice costs in the market? Eh? Do you know how much meat costs in the market? Cable. Rubbish girl. Raise your hand up for me! Raise your hand up and close your eyes, stupid girl! What's your hand? Kill you with your hand. Kill you in this house. What is this one? Raise your hand up. I don't even need you. I will kill you in this house. Close your eyes for me!
What's going on?
Baby, welcome.
Why do you?
Baby, can you imagine? Eh? I served this girl food though. With my good heart though. Eh? She puts the food away.
Why would she do that?
Ask her. Ask her. Huh? She went to the market. And when she came back, we see the knee, we pinya. She now puts the food away. On the floor. Eh? Are you okay?
Since when did she start going to market? I don't understand. Why would you send her to the market? Huh?
Baby, I don't understand though. Do you expect your pregnant wife to go to the market? While we have a grown-up girl in this house?
What if something happened to her? Why didn't you send the maid or maybe call me to go to the market myself?
How can something happen to someone that was brought up in the jungle? How? Baby, don't say that again, no. She's a grown-up girl.
My love, get up. Alright?
Eh?
Go to your room.
Get what?
I said get up and go to your room. Come on. Stand up. Go to your room. There. Go to your room.
Baby, I don't like this thing you are doing, no. I don't like this thing you are doing, baby.
Listen, let this be the first and last time you ever lay a hand on our daughter. Else you'll see the other side of me.
Listen now. You're warning your wife, oh. You're warning me.
The word they say is enough for the wise. I hope you're wise enough to know that.
Hey! Listen man, you're not warning me because of this girl. This little brat. Hey! Kosi is not dragging my own husband with me in this house. So she's not dragging me with you in this house. No problem now. Okay.
What the hell is going on? Is this not the same child that you were so desperate to have as your own child? What's all this drama for?
Which girl? That born throwaway? Eh? That one that the parents abandoned in the orphanage? She can never be my child? Yes! She can never be my child. She's a stupid girl. Why would she pour the food away?
You know, I remember how excited you were the first day she called you mom. And now, this attitude. Really?
Please, oh. The only child I have is the one in my womb. Eh? She cannot even fit to be my maid. She cannot!
Well, I just stated the obvious. Don't you ever lay your hands on her again.
Isn't that you're warning me? Hey! Hey! You're not warning me in this house. Eh, what? You are warning me because of that little brat. Your pregnant wife and is carrying your first fruit. Eh? No problem, oh. Bring them and come and flog me. That is the only thing you have to do right now. Come and beat me. Because of her. No problem. No problem, oh. No problem. It is well. You're shouting on me on top of my pregnancy. You don't have to carry me and flog that girl. No problem, oh. No problem.
So this short demon is still lying down here. Eh? Come! So after they rejected you out there, you came here to lazy around, right?
Good morning, Daddy.
You really shut up what's good about the morning. Why are you still lying down?
I'm not feeling fine, that's why I'm still sleeping.
My friend, you get up and make yourself useful. If you are not going to make yourself useful, I am going to bundle you out of this orphanage home. And you roam around the street. Oh yeah? Move! I said get up and move. I said move. Don't make yourself useful. Come on, move. Idiot. You want to lie down? So Abby, I will do cleaning for you to come and be lying down, Abby. Let me meet you out there. Rubbish.
You say go up there your head, Silas. You're still standing there, Abby.
No matter how you try to hide or keep it, I'll say it again. No secret is meant to last forever.
Hey, Lucy. Please help me get my phone upstairs. Okay? Hey.
Nothing's hidden under the sun. Nothing at all. How long can you keep a secret? How long? Nothing's hidden under the sun.
Kosi, what's taking you too long?
What took you so long?
Daddy called. He said you should call him back, that he has something important to tell you.
Okay, my sweetheart. I know you must be tired. I have this drink, okay? Kosi, you don't need to clean again, okay? I will rehire our help, okay? You don't need to clean, just keep it. Just carry this drink and drink, okay?
Are you sure?
Which one is am I sure, Kosi? Kosi, I am your mother. I am your mom. Okay? Okay, fine. I am sorry for everything I have done to you in this house. Please. I'm sorry. Just take the drink, okay? Take the drink. You don't need to clean again. Don't worry. Just keep it, okay?
sure both of you share the food yourselves?
Yes, we did.
And you want them eat it before leaving?
It is according to your instructions.
That's nice. Alright, give me your account details.
Alright. 21.
Okay.
6021.
Hello, Harry. Harry, she's dead though. Yes, you need to start coming in now. Start coming. Yes, I sent the gate man to the market. Alright, please come quickly before my husband will come back, okay? Alright. Hey. Cruelty! Stupid girl. You want to come and take over everything, idiot. Come in, be fast. She's dead. Yes, she's dead. Carry her fast. Yes, carry her fast now. Yes. Let me keep this.
There! Freeze!
Jesus!
I thought you were dead!
I'm not dead!
I thought
Shock you, Abby.
you
shocking. Dick and foolish, I saw everything. I saw how you planned everything.
Hey, baby. Baby, please, I'm sorry. My sugar, please. I'm sorry, it's the devil. It's the devil.
Devil, why are you calling devil now? Something that you sat, you planned it properly. Now you are involving devil. Innocent devil.
Hey, my princess, please. I'm sorry, your mommy is sorry. Please forgive me. It's the devil. Officer, please, I beg you.
Officers, please arrest them. I do not want to ever see them again.
Maybe I'm carrying your child, please. Don't arrest me.
Will you shut up? How can you be pregnant for an impotent man?
Huh? Impotent? Oh.
After all I did for you, you had the guts to sleep with my best friend.
I don't know how I feel, but I suspect the child is not mine.
Isn't it also important?
What? Where did you hear that from?
I overheard you discussing with the doctor when I came here.
Yes.
I want you to share that with your wife. When I heard you are undergoing treatment, she's supposed to support you through the process.
She will panic. She will not understand. I was planning on telling her after I was done with treatment.
The best friend is responsible for the pregnancy.
What did you say?
Yes, I've seen them multiple times. I couldn't tell you because I didn't know how to.
I'm going to confront her right now.
No, you haven't. Please sit.
What do you mean, sit? She's leaving my house today.
Do you want them to plan again? You want them to go and re-strategize?
You strategize?
Yes.
How?
Please sit. Yes. You have an ongoing plan and you need not to be victim of it by playing oblivion. Let's just see where everything is going.
So what am I supposed to do now?
You know that sometimes it's good to just play as the fool, just to feed the people that think they can fool you. Just keep calm and outside.
For all times, my baby girl here. She advised me on being a fool in order to fool the fools who wanted to fool me. And I'm glad I fooled both of you.
Baby, no.
I'm going to make babies next year, but unfortunately not with you. Officers, arrest them.
Hey, you both are under arrest for conspiracy and attempted murder. I advise you remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer!
She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation. Not doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? And she fears nobody. Cause she's so triple. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl. About everywhere. If she enter your matter, wahala go day. Oh yeah.
Thank you for saving me a whole lot. Because if not for you, I would have lost everything. So this is me officially saying thank you.
But you don't have to.
Why?
Because I am your daughter and that is why I'm in your life. Yes.
That's so nice to know, huh? Yes. So now tell me, Kosi. What do you want me to do for you? Just tell me anything you want. Whatever it is. Say it. And it's done.
Okay. I want to visit the orphanage.
The orphanage? Why?
Because I miss my friends. And I want to see them again.
Alright. Okay. We'll have to make plans for that. And then before it, we'll have to go to the supermarket to buy some things your friends will like. Lots of stuff.
Yes, and I'll get something for Destiny. I'll buy movies, I'll buy snacks, meat pie and all that, and I'll buy clothes.
That's my girl.
Proceed. Cause you know they are what? And she fears nobody, cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl about everywhere. Go try if she enter your matter, wahala go day. Oh yeah. Kosi na jagaban, she's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say bokribo. She's a no-nonsense girl, she know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation, or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they hear what Kosi, and she fears nobody, cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl about everywhere. Go try if she enter your matter. Wahala go day. Oh yeah.
See, I'm back. I got a little thing for you. Yes, so let's go to the hall and share it.
She's a no-nonsense girl. She know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what? And she fears nobody, cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl about everywhere.
Daddy, what are you thinking about?
I'm just finding it so hard to believe everything that's happened.
You shouldn't be thinking about that when you have your daughter around. You should think about yourself and your daughter.
First, thank you for everything. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it.
You're welcome.
To think that I didn't like you at our first meeting. Come here. Oh. I owe you the world.
Thank you.
I promise to always make you happy. Okay?
And I'll ever make you happy.
You are my sunshine.
You are my sunshine. You are my
happy. The skies
skies
are green.
are gray.
She's a no-nonsense girl. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Cause you know they are what?
You are my son.
And she fears nobody, cause he's such a cool. She fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl, about everywhere. Go try her, if she enter your matter, wahala go day. Oh yeah. Kosi na jagaban, she's a no-nonsense girl, and she know they hear what do I say bokribo. She's a no-nonsense girl, she know they tolerate you. She hates intimidation or doing things the wrong way. Kosi know they hear what Kosi, and she fears nobody. Kosi so cool, she fears nobody. She be no nonsense girl, about everywhere.